It was the first commercial ship attacked in the conflict. Skylight was anchored a few nautical miles near the Strait of Hormuz. There were 2 missile attacks, and the first one forced the ship to change position, while the second one hit just below that. Abdur had just finished the night shift and was in his quarters. There was panic all around and a desperate attempt to rescue those stuck on the bridge. There were 10 Indians and 12 Iranians on the ship.
Captain, where are Captain, chief engineer?
Calls to the captain went unanswered. He and another sailor are reported to have died in the attack.
Fire ho gaya, pura full fire ho gaya.
Abdur and the crew moved to the other end of the ship for safety. 23-year-old Bikram says we all ran forward.
सिचुएशन देख रहे क्या हुआ फिर एक एक करके वो डीजल टैंक ब्लास्ट हो रहा है हाँ सिप तरफ पीछे की तरफ लिस्ट भी हो रहा था हाँ हम लोग भी उस टाइम पैनिक हो गए जब क्या करूं फिर दूर से देखा एक नेवी का ओमान का नेवी का बोट या आर्मी का कुछ बोट आ रहा है स्पीड बोट तो वो भी दूर से देख रहा था हमको कम 5 से 10 मिनट तक देख रहा है मतलब वो भी डाउट में है हम लोग का जो ऑयल टैंकर था तो अभी फुल है कि एम्प्टी है उसको भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है उस टाइम.
The aftermath shows the scale of the attack. Gaping holes on the side of the ship. Their visit a day later shows the destruction of the bridge and the quarters where the crew lived, all singed to ashes. This was my room. All's been destroyed, he says. It's almost 2 months. They are still waiting for compensation and seek help from a seafarers union in Kolkata.
Government should give the compensation. Why only the companies? So we are fighting for that, and for this they will not get the justice. We will go to the court also. We will fight in the court also.
It's been a lucky escape for Abdur and Bikram. But there are still thousands of seamen stranded in the Persian Gulf as the blockade of the Strait of Hormuz is in place and much uncertainty.
हाँ हम लोग को सेकंड लाइफ मिला.